What's up, YouTubers? Hey, I got this General Tso's tofu. Got this from Walmart. It's a plant-based meal here. I'm gonna try it. It's a vegan meal, they're claiming. Certified organic, so maybe organic broccoli and brown rice. 11 grams of protein per serving. How many servings you get with this, I wonder. Let's see. So, serving size, 1. Okay, so you get lots of carbs, 11 grams of protein. There's all the stuff that it has in it. Fried tofu, magnesium, all kinds of stuff. We're gonna eat it anyway, but it says, it looks like a little bit of sake something in there. Sake water. Yeah, or a little bit of sake. Salted mirin, which is sake, water, rice, koji. All right, sugar, water, a little bit of ginger. Okay. All right. So we're gonna microwave this baby. You can do it in the microwave or conventional. So it says cook on high for 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Let it stand for a minute. Man, that looks good. Should we give it a shot? Let's open it up and see. I bet it looks just like the picture. All right, maybe close. So this meal here was at Walmart. Go ahead and just crack that. I don't know if you can do it all the way. Let's see what they say. Oh, remove the film completely. Remove it completely and then cover it with a paper towel. Well, I cracked the top. I can definitely smell that broccoli. Let's give it a shot. Not too much food. There's all the tofu pieces, I'm guessing. And some sauce and some rice and broccoli. Let's check it out. I don't know. Might be really good. So I'll cover this with a paper towel and put it in the microwave here. Okay, got my paper towel going there. Let's just do 5 minutes. Alright, I've let it stand in there for about a minute. Maybe a little bit longer. Oh, that smells really good. Yeah. Right? Let's get a fork and try that. Yeah, it smells delicious. Mix that sauce up a little bit in there. Okay, got a little broccoli on there, tofu. Kind of got this consistency of chicken, maybe. You know, chicken pot pie, that cube chicken. Doesn't quite look like the picture. Close enough. Let's try it. Not too bad. Alright, I'm not crazy about the tofu. It's a little bland. It's alright though. Let's try this chunk of stuff here. It's okay, but for $4, I don't know. Let me just do another bite and see. All right, it's edible. Got the sweet and sour. Not bad. I think though, when you eat this, you won't. You know, if you have regular General Tso's or General Tso's, you eat a bunch and then you kind of feel like crap after. I don't think you're gonna get that way if you're eating this. It's got a lot of it does have a lot of stuff in there, a lot of junk. just to make it meatless, but I don't get the feeling that you're gonna feel tired or maybe even any of the effects from the MSG. I'm just guessing though. All right. You can't really tell that the tofu is fried, which I like. It's not too bad. It's getting better as I make my way through it. The first bite wasn't the best, but it's getting a little bit better. I don't know, feels like it's missing something though. I don't know. I'm not crazy about tofu, but I'm trying to gravitate towards going a little bit more meatless or less meat. So, just exploring different options. I would get this again if it was on sale, but I wouldn't pay all that for it. So I think it was $3.97 at Walmart, but anyway, good meatless option, I guess, or decent. So, all right, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you would. Yeah, as far as this thing goes, get it if it's on sale. I'd pass on it unless there's nothing else and you really want to go meatless. I think there's a lot of other things to eat besides this, especially if you're trying to eat healthier or go meatless. But as far as a review on this particular one, not 100% crazy about it, but it's not horrible. I can finish it, but won't get it again unless it's on sale. All right, thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button, please, if you would. Thank you for watching.